Short-term care insurance provides coverage when you need care from an accident, illness, or disability. It's like long-term care insurance in that you qualify for benefits if you need help with at least 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living, which are transferring, toileting, bathing, dressing, eating, and continence, or if you have a cognitive impairment and need supervision. Although your expected need of care does not need to be at least 90 days like it does with a long-term care insurance policy. There are plans that will allow you to have facility and home care coverage. For facility coverage, benefits are available $10 per day up to $300 per day for a benefit period of 90 days up to 360 days. This will pay benefits for all levels of nursing facility care, skilled, intermediate, and custodial care. It will also pay benefits in an assisted living facility. For home care coverage, benefits are available $150 per week up to $1,200 per week for a benefit period of 13 weeks up to 51 weeks. So essentially, you can get 1 year facility and 1 year of home care coverage. Some plans also have restoration of benefits, which means if you're on claim, then heal up and don't need benefits for at least 180 days, your benefits will restore to their original amounts, making them available in the future for a different period of care. This restoration of benefits can only happen one time. No prior hospital stay is required, and issue ages are generally 50 to age 89. You can also choose how long your elimination period or waiting period is, from 0 days up to 100 days. These short-term care plans are flexible, customizable, and have a short application and underwriting process. The insurance companies run a prescription drug check, and the process is streamlined. Medical exams and medical records are not required. It typically takes less than a couple of weeks to get a policy issued. Premiums can be paid monthly, semi-annually, quarterly, or annually. Benefits are paid to the policyholder in cash, which means you don't have to submit receipts to the insurance company for reimbursement. So who should consider short-term care insurance? These policies are ideal for people who don't health qualify for long-term care insurance or for those who can't afford it. It's also a great deductible filler for people who have long-term care insurance and want to fill that elimination period with coverage. If someone has low assets and income and is likely to go on Medicaid for care, it can even help fill the gap before Medicaid benefits begin with a shorter benefit period of, let's say, 90 days. The bottom line, short-term care insurance provides facility and home care coverage for up to 360 days if you need help with 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living or have a cognitive impairment. It can alleviate financial burdens on you and your family and help you to stay in control of your care options. I'm Kelly Augsburger, certified long-term care insurance specialist with Steadfast Insurance. If you have any questions or want to learn more, connect with me online or give me a call, and I'm happy to help.